As previously mentioned, spaCy organizes its NLP tasks into a processing pipeline. The NLP object has a pipeline of components that are applied sequentially to process a text. The pipeline includes tokenization, part of speech tagging, dependency parsing, named entity recognition, and other linguistic analyses. When you call NLP on a text, spaCy first tokenizes the text to produce a doc object. The doc is then processed in several different steps. This is also referred to as the processing pipeline. In this sentence, your products are excellent. I really love the quality. However, delivery to my location in Los Angeles was a bit slow. And this is from abby@email.com. And so this is an example of a bit of text that can be processed in the pipeline into a doc. The output is a sentiment score, sentiment polarity, and subjectivity. In the context of sentiment analysis using spaCy and TextBlob, sentiment polarity and sentiment subjectivity are special metrics that provide information about the sentiment expressed in a piece of text. Sentiment polarity is a measure of the perceived sentiment in a text, indicating whether the expressed sentiment is positive, negative, or neutral. The polarity score typically ranges from -1 to 1. A score of 1 indicates highly positive sentiment. A score of -1 indicates highly negative sentiment. A score of 0 indicates neutral sentiment. In our example, a sentiment polarity of 0.44 suggests a moderately positive sentiment. Sentiment subjectivity measures the degree of subjectivity or objectivity in the text, and it ranges from 0 to 1. A score of 0 indicates a highly objective or non-subjective sentiment. A score of 1 indicates a highly subjective statement, and in our example, a sentiment subjectivity of 0.66 suggests that the expressed sentiment is moderately subjective. This means that the text contains some subjective elements or opinions, but it is not entirely subjective. Let's have a look at some sample feedback captured from an online survey from a company. Each feedback comment also includes the contact method, email or chat. For example, your products are excellent. I really love the quality. However, delivery to my location in Los Angeles was a bit slow. We saw that from abby@email.com. The second, the product didn't meet my expectations and I'm disappointed. I hope you can address the issues in Chicago. My email address is emailme@email.com. The third one, their store was closed, but the hours said it should have been open. I wasted gas and time. And this is from helpme@email.com. So let's take a look at how to analyze this customer feedback using sentiment analysis with spaCy and TextBlob.